Okay, so we'll be discussing how to solve the system of equation using substitution method and elimination method. So let's start with elimination method. In elimination method, we need to get rid of one variable by subtracting or adding two equations. So in these two equations, I can see that we have y on the left side and one more y in the second equation. So if I mark this as equation 1 and mark this as equation 2, and if I subtract 2 from equation 1, I'll be able to get rid of this y. So if I subtract them, I'll have this y minus y from the second equation equals 2x minus x from the second equation plus 1 minus 7 from the second equation. Now, y minus y is going to cancel out. We'll get 0. Minus times minus is actually positive. So 2x plus x plus 1 minus 7. 2x plus x are going to add up and they are going to give me 3x. 1 minus 7 is going to give me minus 6. Okay. What I can do is I can add plus 6 on both the sides to get rid of this minus 6. So I'll say 0 plus 6, 3x minus 6 plus 6. As long as you are doing the same operation on both sides, you are good to go. Your equality won't be disturbed. So we have 6 equals 3x. Dividing both sides by 3, we'll have 6 over 3 equals 3x over 3, and your 2 equals x, or you can write x equals 2. So you have found out the value of x. Now to find the value of y, you will plug this value of x into one of the equation, whichever one suits you. So let's try to plug it in equation number 2. I'll write y equals, instead of x, I'll write down its value. So minus 2 plus 7, that is going to give me 5. So my solution is y equals 5 and x equals 2. So this was elimination method. And now to do the same question using substitution method. So for substitution, let me rewrite the equation. I have y equals 2x plus 1 and I have y equals minus x plus 7. In substitution, you need to write down one variable in term of other variable, and then you take this value and plug it in the other equation. So if I have this as 1 and this as 2, my equations are already written in a way in which the variables are on opposite side. Like this, y is expressed in form of x because y is written as minus x plus 7. If I take this value of minus x plus 7 and plug it in the first equation, I will be getting, instead of y, write minus x plus 7. So minus x plus 7 equals 2x plus 1. You just have to manipulate the equation and solve it. So I'll say, adding x on both the sides, x minus x plus 7 equals 2x plus 1 plus x. This is going to cancel out. We'll have 7, subtracting 1 on both the sides. Minus 1 equals 2x plus 1 plus x minus 1. The minus 1 is going to cancel each other out. We'll have 6 equals 3x. Again, dividing by 3 on both the sides. 6 over 3, 3x over 3. We are going to get x equals 2, just like we did in via elimination method. Again, now you can put this value of x in any of the equation and you'll get the value of y. So let's try plugging it in the first equation now. So I have value of y equals 2, and instead of x, I'm going to write 2 plus 1. So I have y equals 4 plus 1 and y equals 5. This is how you do substitution and elimination method.